Uh-oh, now that's eating. Dot's eating it. Dude's upset. What, Dude? Are you missing out? Dude. Smudge doesn't seem to be too sure. Already got 2 of the red boys eating.
There's Doubles. Look, Doubles. Mmm.
Oh, there you go.
Look, Cork. Mmm.
Maybe. Oh, that kind of tasted good. Maybe I'll try some. So actually eating it. That would be good if you could do that, because I wouldn't depend on Xanadu or someone.
Doubles pushing the bowl around.
What Cork is?
I think it's Double.
What's Cork doing?
Cork's trying to lick it off of the other puppies.
There he goes. He decided maybe that's okay after all.
Somebody's got their foot in it already. Thank you. This is their first meal. August 4th.
With Xanadu whining in the background. Oh. Cork got his paw all in it.
Hey, Cork, put your paws in it, buddy.
Yeah, I like this stuff up off the blankie.
You see the 2 who are in there. Smudge and Dot. I mean, Smudge and Double.
Those are the ones that like to eat more.
They're the fatties. Yeah, I figured I'd be changing the blankie after this.
You fixed a lot of it, huh?
Well, I didn't try to fix a lot. It's hard to fix for 4.
Well, you still could put that back into a little container. And
Oh, yeah.
what do you do?
She wants to come help them eat it. This is Smudge on the far left, and then Dot. And Doubles on the other side.
He said, I had enough now.
For now, I need to lick it off of myself.
Is that what they're doing?